Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Honda Odyssey EX-L. Now the exterior colors are gray, and under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission with select options. As well as we have our HID projection-style headlamps, our LED daytime running lights, and halogen lights. We also have a pair of fog lamps, as well as our engine block heater connection. And over at the side, we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Bridgestone tires, as well as we have our color-matched mirror caps and chrome door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear and an OEM sunroof on top. At the rear, we have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as we have our Odyssey badging with our power liftgate. We also have an embedded defroster in our rear window with the wiper blade attached. At our interior, we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as we have power windows, power locks, and power adjustable mirrors, as well as we have memory seating for the driver. We also have heated mirrors. And over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial here, as well as we have our information and hands-free trackpad on the left, as well as our cruise control, lane assist, and heated steering wheel button on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rear view mirror, as well as we have our cabin lights, as well as we have our options to open up our OEM sunroof. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful gray interior, which has a fully adjustable seat for the passenger and driver. The driver can enjoy lumbar assist. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 30,811 kilometers. And as we look at our touchscreen display, we have phone connectivity, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, cabin talk, messaging, trip computers, as well as many more settings and rear entertainment controls. And down here we have our dual climate control area, as well as our rear climate controls. And we also have our dual heated seats for the passenger and driver, as well as we have our gear shift buttons, as well as our snow and econ mode. And down below here we have our DVD Blu-ray player, which connects to our rear DVD screen for passengers. We also have our USB ports, as well as a 12-volt adapter. And at our center console we have our dual cup holders with cubby hold storage and another big storage area, which an aux plug-in as well as a USB port can be found. We also have our dual cup holders in the rear. As our door slides open for us, we have our second row, which includes a 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which you can also fold down our middle seat for more cup holder space, or keep it up for a third passenger. And in the rear, passengers can also enjoy their very own storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have an HDMI port, as well as we have our adapters. And as we look up, we have our DVD screen, which will play for the passengers in our second and third row. And we can also fold down our seats to get easy access to our third row, which includes their very own cup holders and cubby hold storage space, as well as cabin lights in the third row as well. And that is a total of 8 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Honda Odyssey, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.